In this video, I'll show you how to turn a normal link in ClickFunnels into a tracked link. Then I'll show you exactly what data gets recorded when someone clicks it. To do this, I'll use a tool called ClickMagick. If you want to follow along, you can use the link in the description to get a 14-day free trial. Let's get started. For this tutorial, I am using my WordPress demo page to control the button. The destination is a ClickFunnels offer page. So the button is edited on the WordPress demo page, and ClickFunnels is where the visitor lands after clicking. Here is the ClickFunnels button on my demo page. Right now, it uses a direct link to the ClickFunnels offer page. That direct link works, but it does not give me a clear ClickMagick report for this specific button. First, I will open the ClickFunnels offer page in a new tab. This is the destination visitors should reach. I will copy the direct link from the browser. Now I will open ClickMagick and create a new tracking link. For the link name, I will use ClickFunnels Offer Demo. Then I will paste the ClickFunnels offer page link into the destination field. This tells ClickMagick where to send visitors after the click is recorded. Now I will save the tracking link. ClickMagick creates a new tracking link for this ClickFunnels destination. I will copy it and return to the WordPress editor. Next, I will select the ClickFunnels button on the demo page. I will replace the old direct ClickFunnels link with the ClickMagick tracking link. The button text stays the same. The page still looks the same to the visitor. Only the link behind the button has changed. Now I will update the WordPress page and open the live version. I will click the ClickFunnels button once to create a test click. The same ClickFunnels offer page opens, so the destination is correct. Now I will return to ClickMagick and refresh the Smart Links report. The test click is now showing. Here I can see how many clicks this ClickFunnels link receives. The main report shows total clicks, unique clicks, flagged clicks, cost, revenue, net profit, cost per click, earnings per click, and return on investment. Inside the click details, I can review the clicks per day chart, link view, referrer, sub-ID 1, unique click status, IP address, country flag, and timestamp. Now, the ClickFunnels button on my WordPress demo page gives me clear click data inside ClickMagick. I hope this helped. Try ClickMagick for yourself using the link below. You'll get a 14-day free trial.